Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain you how to organize the Flutter code. You can see I only use a text widget and code is growing. If you create an application like WhatsApp, Paytm, then you have to create many screens. Then how to manage the code? Let's use some concept of the Dart and try to place the code somewhere else by creating some separate class for that. In Flutter, we follow one pattern. We create some separate class that extend stateless widget. But what is stateless widget? In stateless widget, no internal state to manage or no direct user interaction. Example text, icon and icon button. Let's create the class. Type the class. Type the hello world app. Extend stateless widget. Press the enter. Stateless widget is a superclass and hello world app is a subclass. Now let's solve the error. Click on this hello world app. Click on bulb. Click on create one missing override. Error is solved. Now remove this two line. Now once you do it, then you get method front of you, build method, which return the widget and get some parameter build context. Once you do it, then write the return statement. This method simply return widget. I think it will right time to return this widget such as the material app. Material app. Now copy the code from material app till close bracket of the material app. Ctrl C, cut, paste it here. Put the semicolon here. Error is solved. There is basically return the material app from our build method. Now let's try to use my hello world app within our run app method. Type new. Type hello world app. Error is solved. When will statement executed, it's simply going call the build function present within this class of my hello world application. Run the project. There is no changes. Screen application. Well, it's obvious that our application will not contain just one screen in future. It can have a more than one screen, and then number of screen can be reached 20 to 40 screens per application. So in that case, it is again not possible to create as many classes for each of it string, which our main method file itself. What is the solution? So here we can organize the code further for each of the screen. We can create the separate file for that. So within the lib folder, we create the package. Right click on lib folder, click on new and click on and then click on package. Give the name package file. Press the enter. Now right click on the package file, click on new and click on that file. Give the name that file. And press the enter. Now import the material.dat package. Now create the separate .dat class that extends from stateless widget. Type the class, type the .dat file, extend stateless widget. Right click. Now again click on the .dat file, click on this bulb and click on create one missing override. Now it's visible. Remove this two line, not the semicolon. Again type the return widget and copy the code from the main.dat file. From material widget to close bracket of material widget, Ctrl C and delete. Paste it here. Now give the semicolon here. Perfect. Now give the name here, .dat file. Put the round bracket. It's perfect. Now again run the project. Project is run perfectly. I hope you understand the how to organizing the code. First create the package file, then create the .dat file in the package file and type the return statement. In the return statement type the widget and in the body type the .dat file name. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.